Hi and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart appraisals on Friday the 17th of July with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at gold as my final chart. Still continues to remain under pressure, pushing lower. We actually had a slight poke below the 1142.85 key low of March. So in fact, yesterday we saw multi-month lows, and that dates back to November of 1131.85. Now that is a massive low, 1131.85. So that is your next key support. The momentum indicators all bearish. RSI dipping towards 30, MACD falling away, stochastics declining, pretty much across the board bearish. So rallies, any rallies, intraday rallies are a chance to sell. Even today, the move has continued lower, or looks to be continuing lower. This is the hourly chart. It's had a bit of a slight element of consolidation since that low, but it looks to be sort of just consolidating, I think, before the next move lower. In terms of the momentum indicators on the hourly chart, everything negatively configured throughout June pretty much. Every time it's got anywhere near 60 area, it's been considered to be a selling opportunity on the hourly. RSI 40 at the moment, so ideally that would probably be up around the 50 area, and then you'd sort of use that as a chance to sell. But I don't necessarily think you're going to get that opportunity today. Looking at this chart, it remains very bearish. MACD lines are already unwinding, so stochastics again, look at this around the neutral point, falling away. That is very much negatively configured pretty much across the board. I think we're going to get further weakness, further downside, further testing, well, of that initial support at 1142.85, but again, I think 1131.85 could well be where we're on the way towards. So any sort of rebound is a chance to sell. The overhead resistance sort of initially comes in around that 1149.75, and then up around the 1159.50 area for these resistances through the early part of the week. But certainly I think any rally is a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold, and I'll speak to you again on Monday.